Good morning, my name is Richard Perry and this is the ETX Capital Morning Market Buy. Asian shares held near a 3-month low overnight as a rally in Chinese stock markets faltered while the US dollar stayed stagnant as investors waited for further clues from a Federal Reserve meeting on when US interest rates are likely to rise. Everlasting bickering over the Greek debt crisis also kept broader sentiment leaning towards safe haven assets, as investors snapped up such assets as the German bonds and the US Treasuries, pushing yields lower. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell to negative territory, whilst the Korean Kospi managed to keep its head above water, with the Nikkei falling 38.67 points or 0.19% to 20219.27, and the Kospi up 5.72 points to 0.28 to 2034.86. MSCI's index of Asia Pacific shares outside of Japan edged up 0.4% from a 3-month low on Tuesday. Shares in Shanghai lost another 1.26%, bringing the decline to nearly 5% since Tuesday, ahead of a torrent of IPOs that temporarily could tie up an astonishing 6 trillion yuan. Outflows from emerging market equity and bond funds rose last week, with equity funds seeing their biggest weekly outflows since 2008, according to EPFR data compiled by BNP Paribas. Debt funds saw similar outflows as the pace of selling picked up. Over in the FX market, the euro was hovering around the 1.1252, well within the 1.1150, 1.1384 range of the past week or so. The US dollar index, which is a measure against a basket of currencies, edged lower on Wednesday to close at the 95 level. The dollar also barely budged on the yen at 123.45, with most major currencies in holding pattern as traders await for conclusion of the Federal Open Market Committee meeting later on today. The Fed statement is due at 1800 GMT, followed by a half hour later by the chair Janet Yellen's news conference, where every syllable will be dissected for clues on the timing of the lift of interest rates in the US. In commodities, oil prices were a shade firmer as plentiful output was met by strong demand, with the market waiting for US storage figures later on in the trading day. US crude futures added 11 cents to 60.11 a barrel, while Brent crude added 5 cents to 63.78. Over in the UK equity markets, GlaxoSmithKline has invested $95 million to create a new US research institute led by a top genomics professor to investigate how cells' operating systems works. Shares are currently trading at £13.68, flat on the day. Barclay, the London-focused house builder, posted better than expected full-year profit on Wednesday, but warned of political uncertainty ahead due to a referendum on Britain's membership of the EU. Shares are trading at £34.01, up 7.82% on the day. Data today expected is UK unemployment data, which is due to hit the wires at 9:30, along with the Bank of England's minutes from its previous monetary policy meeting. Over in Europe, we have EU-wide CPI data due at 10, along with the German 10-year bond auction. Moreover, in the US, we have the FOMC monthly meeting, along with its interest rate decision and the press conference, and EIA crude stock changes. Currently, the FTSE is trading at 67.15, down 11 points, with the DAX at 11.058, down 21 points. Thank you very much.